Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Christopher.
Hello guys, hello, how are you today? You can see that Z-Mill is back in the kitchen, so you know it's time to whip up something quite quickly. Now, I was asked to make a cake for a famous person, that is somebody who has been in acting in Jamaica. I watched over the years and really used to love his character. Now I've been asked to make him a birthday cake, make it in the colors of Jamaican flag. So I'll give it my best shot, and this cake will be presented to him virtual. At the end of it all, I will have this cake to eat. Isn't that nice? Yes. Thank you, Jamfete, for asking me to do this. I feel privileged. I do. Jamaica has got some of the most delicious sun-kissed fruits, including oranges. So I'm going to be making you, sir, an orange cake. Let's roll. So what I've got here, let me just explain it, and I will tell you the quantity in each bowl when I'm adding it to the mixer. But for now, I'm just gonna give you a quick rundown of what we're using today for the orange cake. So I've grated 2 oranges already to get the zest from it, and this is the orange zest that I've got. Okay, eggs, salt, baking powder, orange zest, sugar, flour, milk, whole milk, some orange juice just in case I don't get a lot of juice from my oranges, and vegetable oil. So these will be my ingredients for my orange cake. So guys, this is my mixer, so I'm ready to start adding my ingredients. So first I add the eggs, which is 6 eggs beaten, next I'll add the sugar, 500 grams of sugar, (250 ml) vegetable oil, I'm gonna mix this for a little while until it's all combined. And then I go ahead and add the remainder. Okay, now that that has been mixed for a little while, I'll be adding some more ingredients. So now I will be adding 250 ml of orange juice, (250 ml) of whole milk, (4 teaspoons of grated orange zest, I like it when my orange cake are very zesty, so you can use less zest or you can use more. It depends on your taste really. So I'm gonna just mix this all up now quickly. This is a bit faster. Okay. So now for the second stage, let me just show you what it looks like. I'll be adding the dry ingredients. In this mixture, I've got 500 grams of plain flour, 6 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And you make sure you mix those properly before you add them to your liquid. I will now add my flour in stages. So first I'm gonna add 2 scoops. Let that mix a bit on low. This is a quick cake to make and it's very, very flavorful. Guys, if you do try it, let me know. Drop me a comment and let me know. If you're watching and you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, if you like my content, please subscribe, like the video, share the video with your friends and family. Tell a friend to tell a friend, okay? I would really appreciate that. Now it's time to add more flour. You can improvise if you're baking at home or you do not have a mixer. Guys, please don't let this deter you from saying, you know, I want to make that cake. Go ahead, use whisk, use your pudding pan, use your bowl, use wooden spoon and all of that. And this is the final flour. Now, okay. So guys, this is my cake tin which I'll be using today, and I've already greased it with butter and lined it with grease paper. You must always, when you're mixing, stop and make sure you scrape down the sides. Scrape off the paddle, make sure the excess flour comes off, or whatever the paddle is holding on to, because we need all that to be combined and mixed properly. You should always stop and do this a few times while you're mixing. So I've now finished the mixing process and I've switched the oven on. I've put it on gas mark 4 to preheat. Now that the butter has been mixed properly in the mixer, just give it a final stir. Make sure there are no lumps or anything sitting at the bottom, which I don't think there is. But just for my peace of mind, we can't fill this up too much. We need space for this cake to rise. This cake is so nice and filled with flavor, and it comes out so moist. So now I've put the batter in the tins to bake. I'm gonna place it in the oven, and I would say 35 to 40 minutes or better yet, until you stick a skewer in the middle and it comes out clean. So that's when you know, because everybody oven, I realize, bakes different. If I use somebody else's oven to bake, it's not as mine. So you know how your oven works. All right. So I'm gonna just put them in now and we'll see you when they're done. So my cakes are in the oven. Yes, my orange cakes are in the oven. So now it's time to go and wash up my utensils and stuff and clean up my kitchen and get ready for decoration, which is my fun part. I love decorating cakes.
So I'm gonna invite Miliannairz to come up. Milian, you turn upside down, man. Miss.
Upside down.
I don't know why. Upside down.
I don't know why I'm upside down.
That look like a nice birthday cake for me, you know.
Hi, Johnny.
Hey!
How you doing?
Look at that. Okay, happy birthday, Johnny. Oh, look at that. That is awesome. That is awesome. Hold on. Let me record it.
Record it.
Let the people know. Hold on. Let me tell it to them. All right. Let Jamaica know what's going on right now, my brother. Where's this? What's going on?
So this is JAMFETE Live, JAMFETE France Live, and Miliannairz TV out of London, next door neighbors. They have prepared a surprise for Johnney from Lime Tree Lane, because we're going back into memory lane. And as you can see, it reads, "Happy birthday, Johnney, Lime Tree Lane."
Oh my God. Thank you so very much. You guys are awesome. This is one of the best birthday presents and gifts I've ever received. Thank you so much.
You're most welcome. I'm so sorry it's only a virtual cake. You only can't look at it, you can't taste it.
Well, I want you to share it with the people there, share it with the entire folks there who love Jamaica, who love Jamaican culture. You know what I mean? I know you guys really put so much energy into this, and thank you so much. I'm humbled and I'm grateful. And I just wanted you to know that I really love this. So thank you so much.
It's a great honor. It's a great honor to do this.
Big up yourself. I'm a general. Listen, big ups to you guys.
Look for my face, so when you see me at Jamaica, you remember me.
Show me up and down. See there? People, look for that beautiful face. Thank you so much for the love. Thank you for the love, family.
Yeah, it's a pleasure from JAMFETE and Miliannairz TV.
Big up to the JAMFETE family. Thank you so much to my friends in London and of course in France. And it's just an awesome feeling right now. Thank you so very much, guys.
Okay.
All right. Let's show the picture them, Milian. Zoom in so we can see. Let our viewers salivate a bit.
Look here, different looks of Johnney Lime. No, them go all in that door for it. Oh my God, look at this. Look at that. Look at this. That's what it means when your people have loved your outer streets. Thank you so very much, my family. Love. Let's go. All right, no, so this is awesome. Big up yourself, General.
So we want to thank you so much for joining us. We just want a little promise that you will come to visit us here in Europe as soon as Europe are cheap again. You know,
absolutely. Europe is a place I definitely want to come and do more comedy. I haven't done enough comedy, particularly stand-up comedy in Europe. I've been mostly in North America and Canada and so on, but Europe, definitely I need to be there. And I have some friends that I have in Europe that I've met on the comedy circuit that I just really want to do some street with, you know what I mean? From Croatia. I have friends that are doing some work in the UK. Big up to Prince Abdi, and there's so many others that I just want to come and rock shoulder with and rock the stage with. So I'm really excited. Big up yourself. Thanks, guys. Respect.
All right, we have one last little icing on the cake, guys. We're talking about Jamaica Memory Lane, and we wanted to honor Christopher Johnney Daley for being a part of our family. We grew up watching him and Lime Tree Lane and all of that. And we have one little last tribute from Disha. Come in, Disha.
Oh my God, hi.
Hi. Happy birthday, Mr. Christopher Daley.
Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Christopher. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Yes.
Happy birthday to you.
What?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Thank you so very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Beautiful, beautiful voice. Thank you so very much. That was just awesome.
You're most welcome. It's a pleasure.
Look at this. You guys are, listen, you guys are going to make me cry, and I'm looking at
It's all happening in Europe. All happening in Europe. A lot of happy birthday coming in. A lot of happy birthday. So we just want to thank you very much. And we'll definitely keep in touch. Johnny.
Thank you very much, my brother. Thank you so very much, my sisters. And listen, people, keep the Jamaican culture.
For joining us.
Thank you so much, man. Keep the Jamaican culture flying high. We know it go. We are resilient people, hardworking people, fun-loving people, people with the kind of energy that the world needs, because we are the spice in this world right now. And you all know that I can't wait to just get out there and share that spice and that energy with the rest of the world. So thank you so very much for honoring not just what I do, but what all of us do as Jamaicans. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Miliannairz TV, that was an amazing tribute. Thank you so much, my dear. So
welcome.
You something, are you do that by yourself?
Of course I did.
No YouTube, no Google, you just did that? What happened there?
Well, I'm a self-taught baker. I just try stuff daily, come up with stuff on my days off, and I love, to be honest, I don't like the baking aspect of it. It's more the decoration. I really enjoy that. So
I saw the decoration. It was really beautiful, my dear.
I've got a lot of my I have a lot of cake designs on IG. So if anybody want to go and check them out, to go and have a look. If you'd like to make an order, hit me up. And it's Miliannairz, Miliannairz.
And of course, you have a YouTube channel as well where you post some of your baking and your exploits.
Oh yes, I do. I'm gonna put this cake there. Yes. I've got this one. This is an orange cake, and so I'm gonna post that video with my orange cake.
Cut the cake. Let me see what it looks like. And the black, green, and gold. He says, you have to design the cake to me wedding, you know. Of
course.
I need a wedding cake designer. So
you find it. Have you found a wife already?
Yeah, hold on. We have 37 million people watching. There must be one beautiful young lady, not too old, still at childbearing age, who is interested. So they can contact me. Make sure you